Okay, so this is a video to the builder to get some quotes on the works. The front is relatively straightforward. We do need to have a look to make sure everything's okay. It seems okay. This is a bit leaky, I'll be honest with you. Whoever did it didn't do a great job. I'll show it the inside. There's signs there. Signs down there with a leaking roof there. So this needs to be properly investigated. Front door is okay. Second door, I guess we'll stop the draft. So I think we have to actually leave this second door here. Utilities have been boarded, but there's exposed wires here. There's a gap there. And then obviously all the wires and everything. So we'll need a new RCD unit. Okay, so that's one thing. These doors are all over the place. I mean, that's just like a tiny door for no reason. I wonder actually if we can maybe board that up and take this down, and then we've got a much bigger space. So that's another thing. So maybe knock that wall through, board this up, and then you just have a bigger space out there. But that would depend on costs. So throughout there's exposed piping. This is the property. Yeah, we need to trunk a lot of the piping. We'd need to do another electric installation condition report. I think it should be okay, but yeah, do one just in case. I don't think it needs a rewire. Fingers crossed it doesn't. Windows they're okay. They're not the best. But just redecorate, fill the holes, repaint white throughout, sort out the skirting, so potentially replace them because they're all over the place. The flooring, actually, it's not bad. Yeah, I think with the refurb and everything, the flooring is just going to get worse. So we'll have to lift the flooring and replace it with similar style flooring. Laminate. But I can sort that out separately. So refill all these holes, repaint throughout. We try and salvage these blinds actually. Maybe put them in the wash. I mean, it's just a bit dirty there. We'll hopefully ask our cleaner to clean that, but leave those. Replace all radio TVRs so that they're all new. Okay, so in here, annoyingly, I think we'll have to keep that and keep that. Yeah, otherwise we just replace it. All the kitchen cabinets, they can all go. We're replacing all those. They're a bit too old. And then repaint all the wall as well. The boiler looks like it's actually quite an old one, but if it works, we'll just have to use it for a bit. That doesn't look safe. The walls, again, aren't great. They're really thin. I don't know who's done them or why they've done them, but that's not great. So one thought could be, you know what? Just remove all the white goods. Well, sorry, all the appliances. I think it's just going to get in the way. And all our properties come unfurnished anyway. So in here, just tidy up. We're going to leave these tiles because actually they don't seem bad, and it just regrout. Okay. This all needs sorting. That needs to be done properly. Repaint throughout. New light switches and power sockets throughout. Brush chrome. So an idea could be, I'd like to have a separate quote to remove this wall. And then so we can have the kitchen along here and an island, and then have this as a dining area. So it'll be kitchen diner open plan in here. So that fence panel needs sorting out. The fence panel over there needs replacing. These seem okay. The rest just needs clearing. So that just needs clearing out really. It's not too bad. The people that lived here before it's just left a bit of a mess. Sorry, they left a lot of furniture here. as you can see, the flooring is just already coming up. So if we're going to refurb everything, we might as well just do it properly. Okay, so look at that. Okay, so walls, yeah, that's a bit weird. So just repaint all this, prep it, plaster it, paint it. I'm pretty sure that it needs insulation, so we can have a look. If there isn't sufficient insulation, then we need to insulate the loft. And there's the hatch there actually. So insulate the loft because we want to get this to an EPC C. This light is actually too low. I mean, there you go. So that's too low. We need to increase the height on that so people aren't hitting the head. Smallest bedroom in here is literally just repaint and recarpet. That's fine. We'll leave the curtain poles there. That's a bit dodgy. It's okay. Repaint. Second bedroom. That same time we have to leave that, but we have to get rid of the wallpaper, repaint throughout, recarpet as well. Can we please paint all the radiators white? I mean, they've painted this grey and now it needs painting, so we might as well just paint it back white. Carpets can be lifted because we're recarpeting throughout all the way upstairs. That doesn't look very safe. Same in here, repaint throughout as well. And again, whoever did the windows did a bit of a shoddy job. So that all needs to be fixed. And finally, the bathroom. Oh yeah, sorry, we're going to replace all these doors as well because these are all the cheap ones, so they've been battered, and it's just cheaper, it's more cost effective just to replace them. I know it's a bit wasteful, but yeah, it would just be too costly to try and fix them. Okay, so bathroom tiles need to be, so basically remove all the tiles. We're going to use lino, repaint throughout. We're going to have to remove these blinds. The wall seems to be cracking. Maybe we can panel that off. This all needs to be removed. It's dodgy and I'm pretty sure it's flammable. So that all needs to be tiled. And around here it needs to be painted. Bathroom, the shower unit seems fine actually, so probably we'll keep that and just replace everything else. Oh sorry, this looks quite decent as well, so maybe keep this and keep this. Replace the bath tub and then redecorate. And this door is dodgy. That's not a good size, that's not half. Yeah, that's a very small door. It's a stud wall. Okay, well, I'm not even sure that door's straight actually. Well, and basically make good that door. And that's it. I think it should be relatively straightforward, but I'm pretty sure, judging from the workmanship, we are going to find a lot of issues here and there, especially that front porch and a lot of these doors and some of the windows that have been put in. So if I can have a quote for this and a start date, that would be appreciated. All right, thank you.